Hello everyone! Good morning! Ayan, this is how I clean my lemongrass. I'm using a paper towel. In the same time, I scrubbing it. I scrub like that. Kasi natatakot ako masugatan ulit. Masugatan ako palagi sa lemongrass kasi napaka-sharp niya. Ayun. Nandito kami sa cabin, guys. We got here yesterday morning. Ayan. Ayan, malinis na siya. Tapos, ayun pala yung na-pick ko, na-produce yesterday from my garden. Ayan, I have cucumber, tomatoes. Ayan, tapos meron pa akong okra doon. I have some green beans, long beans. Pero yung aking mga balatong, yung matataas na balatong, kinain ng, kinain ng mga rabbit. Tapos, this is how I clean my lemongrass. Ayan, malinis na siya, guys. Tapos, gagawin ko dito, guys, is let's see. Mali. Ayan, guys. Kasi, guys, ilalagay ko to siya sa mainit na tubig. Ayan.